Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Target gift card online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Target gift card online, what you need to do first is add the gift card to your Target account. To do it, simply head over and open up your Target application, and then once inside, what you need to do is sign into your Target account by simply tapping on the My Target option on the bottom right corner of your screen, then simply tap on Sign In. Then once you're signed into your account, go to the Accounts by simply tapping on the My Target option on the bottom right corner of the screen once again, and then inside, scroll down and you'll find an option that says Gift Cards. Then once inside, simply select Add a gift card, then enter the gift card number on the back of the physical card or in your email, and then access the code by scratching the back for physical cards. Now once that's done, simply tap on Save, and the card is now in your Target wallet and it will automatically appear during checkout. The next method that you can use is redeem during checkout. Simply head over to the Discover page, then add the items to your cart, and then once inside, all you gotta do is go to the checkout or proceed to checkout option, and then once that's done, on the payment select gift cards, and once you're inside the gift card section, tap to enter the gift card number, then simply enter gift card number and the access code, and then simply apply, and your total will reduce immediately. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.